And today we are having a question which is tan theta equals to 1, and we have to find sin theta plus cos theta over sec theta plus cosec theta. And this is a question from grade 10. Okay, now here we are having a tan theta which is 1, right? And we know that tan 45 is also 45 degrees also 1, right? So I'm using theta as 45 degree. Understood? As now we are having theta which is 45 degrees, so I'll just put the theta over here and we'll get the answer. Okay, so sine theta, then what we have, plus cos theta whole divided by sec theta plus cosec theta. Okay, now sine 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees whole divided by sec 45 degree plus cosec 45 degree. Okay, now we are having the value of a sine 45 degree which is 1 by root 2, then cosec 45 is again 1 by root 2 whole divided by sec 45 is root 2, right? And then we have a cosec 45 which is again root 2. Now we'll simplify it after putting up all the values here. So for the numerator, denominator is same, so we'll just add the numerator. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2, or you can also write it as 1 plus 1 whole divided by root 2, again whole divided by root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2. Clear? Now after this, 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by root 2 and whole divided by 2 root 2. Now what we have to do is, you can like solve it as 2 upon root 2 times 2 upon root 2. Okay, actually sorry, I did a mistake, which is 1 over 2 root 2. This is what we'll get. And now we are going to solve it. So in solving, you can cancel these two and we'll get 1 over root 2 times 1 over root 2. So automatically you will get 1 over 2 only, because root 2 gives you 2. Understood till here? Sure. So we can say that therefore sine theta plus cos theta whole divided by sec theta plus cosec theta gives you half. Clear? You can write this down in your notebook. Yeah. Now we are having the another question, which is sine square theta whole divided by cos theta plus cos theta, which gives you sec theta. Now this is again the easier one. On the LHS, we are having sine square theta over cos theta plus cos theta, right? So I'm going to prove this first. So here we can also write the basically I'm just equating the denominator first, so we can write it as sine square theta. Cos times cos is cos square theta, okay, whole divided by cos theta. Now we know the answer. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1 over cos theta, and we also know that the reciprocal of 1 over cos is sec theta, which gives you the RHS. Clear? And we'll write hence proved. I hope this is clear to you. Now the another question. So we have to prove that cos square theta times 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, now we have to prove this. Okay, and it gives us 1. We have to prove this. Okay, so here I'm going for the LHS, which is cos square theta times 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so I can do a thing, which is, I know cos square theta and 1 plus tan, we know the identity, which is sec square theta, right? Now here we are having cos square theta and sec square theta. So cos square theta times sec is 1 over cos square theta. So we are having in an inverse. So this cos square theta and cos square theta will get cancelled. We'll get 1, which gives us RHS. So hence proved. Clear? Okay. Now the next one. Again, prove that. And here we are having square root of 1 subtract sine theta whole divided by 1 plus sine theta, which gives us sec theta subtract tan theta. Okay, now to prove this, again taking the LHS, and LHS is square root of 1 subtract sine theta whole divided by 1 plus sine theta. Okay, now we'll do the rationalization over here to get the answer. So 1 subtract sine theta over 1 plus sine theta. Okay, and times it with this is the square root. So the opposite sign, denominator's opposite sign you have to use, which is 1 subtract sine theta over 1 subtract sine theta. Clear? Now we'll solve this. So 1 subtract sine times 1 subtract sine will get the whole bracket square. 1 subtract sine theta whole bracket square upon, this is a plus b, this portion is a plus b, and this is a minus b, so which gives us a minus b square. So we can write it as 1 subtract sine square theta. Okay, now here I'm going to use the property which for the denominator, which is 1 subtract sine theta whole bracket square over 1 subtract sine square theta is cos square theta, from where it came. So we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta gives us 1, right? So I just rearrange it. So for the cos square theta thingy, we'll get 1 subtract sine square theta. Okay, so that's why I replace this. And now we'll just remove, as we are having squares on both numerator and denominator, we can cancel out the square root. So we'll get 1 subtract sine theta whole divided by cos theta. Okay, now I'm just separating the denominator. So we'll get 1 over cos theta subtract sine theta over cos theta. Okay, and 1 over cos is sec theta subtract tan theta, which is the RHS, and I'll say hence proved. I hope this is clear to you. If you want more videos on trigonometry, do comments so I can make more videos on these topics. Thank you.